Such scenes are common whenever security agencies are dealing with some sections of the public, but majorly during political campaigns. Mental health professionals are concerned about a pressing issue emerging at the crossroads of mental health and justice.
If there was a lot of awareness and these people are able to identify these mental health challenges, then they can aid in the different diversion pathways along the criminal justice system so as to avoid the ultimate incarceration.
The experts say a number of Ugandans with mental health challenges find themselves behind bars, their conditions sometimes overlooked.
Even where you would think it should be obvious to the head of the bar, who is the Attorney General, the Attorney General still objects and says, no, we can still criminalize suicide. Yeah, in his response. And to him, that is not a health matter, it is a social matter where we must fight criminality.
We get testimonies of previous offenders who actually report withdrawal symptoms within police custody, within police cells. The prison officers are just laughing at them. They are telling them, it's your fault, you even played. Sometimes they kick them and do whatever things they are doing.
A case in point was the attempted attack on Bishop Chitiol Walira in 2018 by one Herbert Kadu. A year later, Kadu was acquitted by court on insanity grounds. He, however, served time in jail pending a ministerial pronouncement to grant him freedom. Human rights lawyer George Musisi says whereas the law is silent, it has options for such scenarios.
All this whole time that people are incarcerated saying we are pending minister's orders, I think their families can even seek the release, like we saw that precedent in the Fort Portal at the High Court by Justice Patema. They can even seek the release. They can even seek an order compelling the minister to release you.
The Deputy Director of Police Health Services, Dr. Emmanuel Nuamanya, says security officers face challenges while executing work.
I understand every time we have trainers and new trainees in the training schools, we liaise with the Kampala hospital, which has been, of course, the only area they consider to come and interact with the trainees. And you can imagine that course takes about 2 hours in a year. That can't be enough knowledge imparted for the officers who later on train.
He, however, says the force conducts continuous training to deal with such challenges. As Uganda grapples with the challenge of mental health in the justice system, stakeholders are hopeful that the way forward is creating understanding, reform and compassion in the sector. Walter Mwesije, NTV.